Tired of throwing money at Facebook ads and praying something sticks? Let's turn those prayers into profits with Uphex. First, connect your Facebook ad account to Uphex. This gives Uphex access to your campaign data, so it can start working its magic. Now, Uphex analyzes your existing campaigns, pinpointing exactly who's responding to your ads and why. Forget guesswork. Uphex provides data-driven audience segments you can instantly use in your Facebook ad manager. Next, let's improve your ad creative. Uphex doesn't just tell you what's working. It suggests specific tweaks to your ad copy, images, and even call to actions. Track your performance in real time. Uphex provides clear, actionable insights into your campaign performance, so you can quickly identify winning strategies and eliminate wasted ad spend. Set up automated rules within Uphex. Automatically pause underperforming ads, scale winning campaigns, and adjust bids based on real-time performance. With Uphex, you're not just running Facebook ads. You're running smart, data-driven campaigns that maximize your ROI and drive real results. Ready to ditch the guesswork? Can unlock the power of Uphex. Start your free trial today.